Okay, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. So, as usual, we begin a session with dua for a non-Muslim on your own. For a Muslim, we begin with Kitab Al-Fatihah. Okay, class. So, please refer to the page we call for topic vector past year questions. Okay. So, for past year question, it begin from page 59. Okay, begin from page 59 until 63. Okay, that is the pages for the question of past year for this topic of vector. So I chose a few questions. If you refer to your tutorial book, we'll choose question number 2, 3, 10, 13, 14. Okay, just a few for the discussion for this morning. So, meaning that after this, I wanted all of you to continue with the rest of the question. Why? Because this is one of the topic for your future final examination, PSPM, that will be held on we call end of April and during the May. Okay, so ini topik dalam final examination. So we're going to concentrate more on this topic. Topic 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 9. So without wasting so much time, let's take a look at this one here. The first one, where the straight line given L is written here x equal to 2 minus t, y equal to negative 3 plus 4t, and z equal to negative 5 minus 3t. So, if you like to write in the form of r equal to a plus t with a v, where r, which is x, y, and z, equal to a, 2, negative 3, and negative 5, plus with t and v, we have negative 1 here, 4, and negative 3. Okay, and two planes. Two planes pi 1, we have 2x minus y plus 7z equal to 53 in the form of r dot n equal to a dot n, where a dot n equal to 53, and this one r, x, y, and z, dot with a normal here to negative 1, 7. Okay, so this is the normal. Normal for pi 1 and 1, and then pi 2, we got 3x plus y plus 7z equal to 1. So then we have x, y, and z dot with 3, 1, 1 equal to 1. So this is the normal for plane number 2. So now, the question, okay, find the point of intersection between L, the line of L, with the plane pi 1. Okay, plane pi 1. So now, just imagine that this is the plane and one of line passing through. Okay, and we like to find out what is the coordinate of this point. Let's say we come up with P, X, Y, and Z. So what is the value of X, Y, and Z intersection of this? So we straightly refer to, okay, first we got X, and because this straight line called intersect the pi 1, so we refer to the X here. Then for Y, then we substitute into here, and Z into value of Z here. Okay. So now substitute x, y, z in this Cartesian form into this equation of a normal. Then we got 2x, where x is 2 minus 3 plus or minus, sorry. Minus y negative 3 plus 4t, and then plus 7z negative 5 minus 3t equal to 53. We are going to find the value of t, okay? Once we substitute here now, then we try and find out what is the value of t. From here, then substitute the value of t into all the t's in x, y, and z here. So 2 times 2 equal to 4 minus 2t, negative positive 3 minus 4t, 7 times negative 5 minus 35 minus 21t equal to 53. So 4 plus 3 equal to 7. 7 minus 35 equal to class 4 plus 3, 7 minus 35. That's it, 28. Negative 28. And then negative 2t minus 40, negative 6. Negative 6 minus 21 minus 27t equal to 53. So then negative 27t equal to 53 plus 28. Okay, anyone please help me?
81.
81. Okay, negative 27t. So then t equal to
Negative 3.
negative 3. So negative 3, value of t is not the answer yet because it represents the constant of t here. So we are going to find the coordinate numerical intersection here by substitute t into x, y, and z. So then x equal to 2 minus t equal to negative 3. Y equal to negative 3 plus 4 times negative 3. And z equal to negative 5. Negative 5 minus 3 times negative 3. So this is 2 minus negative positive. So x equal to 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Y 4 times negative 3, negative 12. Negative 12 times 3, negative 15. And this one here, negative 3 equal to positive 9. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. So the point of intersection which is 5, negative 15, and 4. Am I right? Question number 2A. 5, negative 15, and 4. That's it. Okay. That is solution for question number 2A. And now, find the acute angle between the line of L and pi 1, the plane of pi 1. So now, okay, sorry, dia lambat respon. Okay. Okay, because this session is being recorded, so in your next, we call watching these videos, you may recall, pause, stop, rewind, forward, and use all the buttons, recall in your revision. Okay, so now, this is, recall, this is our reference. This is our reference for the line. And what is our reference for the normal? We call the plane. Class, what is the reference in the plane? We look at the normal.
Normal,
Okay.
I think.
Okay, so class, because equation of plane pi1 is r dot n. So our reference here now is n, normal. So means that the normal of the plane, and this is the surface of the plane. So this is the normal of the plane, and this is the surface of the plane. So to find the angle, we are going to use this formula from your lecture notes. A dot B, okay, vector A dot B equal to modulus of vector A modulus of vector B cos theta. So change the vectors of A and B into, now for line, straight line, we refer to the V. For straight line, we refer to the V, and from the plane, we refer to the normal. So it's between now V and N. So V dot N equal to modulus of V modulus of N cos theta. So cos theta equal to this one, V dot N divided by modulus of V modulus of N. So V dot N divided by modulus of V modulus of N. Okay, so now V dot N, V equal to -1 for -3 dot with N normal to -1, 7 divided by, okay, modulus of V -1 squared plus 4 squared plus 1 -1 for -3 squared. And then another one here, N, which is 2 squared plus -1 squared plus 7 squared. Okay, so -1 times 2, -2. 4 times -1 minus 4. -3 times 7 minus 21 divided by, okay, -1 square is 1. Okay, 4 square equal to 16. 1 square is 1 plus 4 square is 16, and plus 3 square equal to 9 times with 2 -1 7. 2 square equal to 4 plus -1 square is 1 plus 7 square 49. So -1 times 2 -2, 4 times -1 -4. Okay, this one, what's the value of this? -2 minus 4, -6 minus 21, -27 divided by, okay, thank you. -27, 9 plus 1 equal to 10 plus 16, 26, and another one here, 49, 50, 54. So the angle from here, cos theta equal to this. So theta equal to arc cos of -27 divided by square root of 26 square root of 54 equal to, okay, press the calculator and tell me.
Satu tiga enam point
Pardon?
satu kosong.
1,
1376
136.10.
110.
Okay, now class, because this angle, okay, this angle is less than 90, and this angle is also less than 90. So meaning that here, if I can bring you to this imagining, because the theta is greater than 90 degree. So it's not acute, it's an obtuse angle. So just imagine that if this is the side, ini pandangan dari sisi from the side of the plane, and sorry, this is the normal. So just imagine that the graph will be something like this. Okay, the graph will be something like this, and 136.10 meaning that it start from here to this. So this is the angle where this angle equal to the opposite side of this, which is this one here, alpha and alpha. So to get this alpha, which is equal to 136.10 degree minus 90 degree. And tell me, what is the result of this?
$46.10.
46.10 degree. That's it. Okay, so because the answer of this is obtuse, is between 90 to 180 degree. So we want that acute angle, which is from 0 until 90 degree. So in this case, we refer to this I call X side, and here is the angle that we give for alpha with this alpha. So that it is 90 minus 136 minus 90 degree. Okay, so this is a case when you this is a case where situation where you got the obtuse angle. So you need the equal minus with a 90 degree. Okay, so now question C. Okay, question C, acute angle between the plane pi 1 and pi 2. So I clear all the information about the straight line because we're going to look into situation where is an intersection between two planes. Alah, lambatlah dia punya tu. Lambat respon dia. Okay. Now, just imagine that the first plane, okay, if you watch, okay, kamu tengokkan, just imagine this plane, okay, from the side, daripada sisi, okay, this is a plane of pi 1. And now, let's say we got another plane of pi 2. Okay, so now if I write the plane of pi 2 here, plane of pi 2, okay, I put a purple ink, and then for this one I put a blue black. Oh, tak nampak pula. Okay, pi 2. So now, pi 1, which is R, okay, sorry. Okay, r dot n, which is n is 2, -1, 7 equal to 53, and pi 2. Pi 2 r dot, okay, we got 3, 1, and 1. 3, 1, and 1 equal to 1. So this is the normal of pi 1, and this is the normal of pi 2. So just imagine that r dot n, which is 3, 1, and 1 equal to 1, where this is the normal of pi 2. So just imagine that this normal, okay, and also a normal for pi 1, then it gives you an angle between the plane, because between these two, okay, this is n2 and this is n1. So there's angle between this. So this is the one that we call that we're going to use. So class, when we talk about intersection or angle between two planes, so our reference is the normal of the plane. Allah Akbar. Okay, the normal of the plane normal of plane n1 and also plane of n2. So to find the angle, again, we refer to the vectors of this. So n1 dot n2 equal to modulus of n1 modulus of n2 cos theta. So then cos theta equal to n1 dot n2. N1 we got 3, 1, and 1 dot n2 2, -1, 7 divided by square root of 3 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. And another one here, 2 square plus -1 square plus 7 square. So 3 times 2 equal to 6. 1 times -1 minus 1. 1 times 7 equal to 7. Then 3 squared is 9. 1 squared is 1. So 9, 10, 11. And also here, 2 squared equal to 4. -1 squared is 1. 7 squared is 49. 49, 50, 54. So 6 plus 7, 13, minus 1, 12 divided by square root of 11, square root of 54. So then, theta equal to arc cos of 12 divided by square root of 11, square root of 54, equal to
60.50
60.50
.50.
or 0.5 degree. There you go. Okay. So class, there is a solution for question number 2, A, B, and C. Now, find the angle between the line and the plane. So, L1, we got, okay, R equal to A plus T with a V here. So then we got X, Y, and Z. We got 1, 3, -1 plus T, 2, 1, and 0. So, X X, so we refer to this and this. Y, the yellow, second term, okay, second value, here, second magnitude, and then Z. So now, Let's write this in a Cartesian or parametric form. Parametric, if I'm not mistaken. That. So we got x equal to 1 plus 2t. Y equal to 3 plus t. Z equal to -1. Okay, -1. 0, t equal to 0. Something like that. Okay, this one automatically is 0 here. So, angle between the line. Angle between the line and the plane. Okay, okay. The question wants us to find the angle, not intersection point. So, which I think that, okay, sorry. Saya akan dia cari intersection point. No, not this one. So, meaning here, so means here, find the angle. Angle meaning that, again, this is the plane and this is a line of L. So this is the surface of the plane and this is the normal of the plane. So for the straight line of L, we refer to the V, and for the plane, we refer to the normal. So now, angle between this using N. Okay, so the plane of pi, we have X, Y, and Z dot with 3, -2, 1 equal to 5. So we are referring to the V and also N, the normal. So then V dot N equal to modulus of V modulus of N cos theta. So cos theta equal to V dot N, V210 dot with 3, -2, 1 divided by square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 0 square, and this one here 3 square plus -2 square plus 1 square. So 2 times 3 equal to 6. 1 times -2 minus 2. 0 times 1 equal to 0. Square root of 2 square equal to 4 plus 1 plus 0. And another one here, 3 square is 9 plus 4 plus 1. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Square root of 5, square root of 14. So then theta equal to arc cos of 4 divided by square root of 5, square root of 14 equal to 61.44 degree. There you go. Question number 3. Okay, class. 61.44 is an angle between the normal and the V. It's not final answer yet. This is theta. So the angle between the line of L with the surface of the plane is here in beta. Okay, so now this is not the final answer yet. Sorry. Saya pun tersilap sikit. Sorry. So then, beta is the angle that we're looking for, equal to 90 degree minus 61.44, equal to
28.56.
28.56 degree. There you go. Okay, 28.56 or 28.6. All right. Question 10. The point of A, B, C lie on the plane. Straight line L pass through the points of P2, 8, 9, and 5, 6, -4. Okay, so find AB AC and AB cross AC. So now class, just imagine that on this plane, there is a coordinate of A, B, and C. Okay, so find AB. So just imagine that is the origin point of 0, 0 to A, we got 0 to B, and also 0 to C. So OA plus AB equal to OB, then AB equal to OB minus OA, which is, okay, this is the coordinate. This is the coordinate. So OA, okay, position vector is a vector from origin point 0 to the point of A. So OA means that we write down as a 2, 3, 5. OB, okay, this is vector of A, vector of B, Z, okay, the point of B minus 0, 0, 0, then we got 4i minus 2j plus 3k. And vector of C, OC, equal to negative 2i plus 0j plus 7k. Okay. So now, to find AB, OB minus OA or B minus A, which is 4, negative 2, 3 minus 2, 3, 5 equal to 4 minus 2 equal to 2, negative 2 minus 3, negative 5, and 3 minus 5, negative 2. And then OA plus AC equal to OC. So then AC equal to OC minus OA, which is C minus A. So C minus A, negative 207 minus 235 equal to negative 2 minus 2, negative 4. 0 minus 3, negative 3. 7 minus 5, 2. Okay, so then AB, I rewrite here AB, OB minus OA. Okay, so we got 2, negative 5, negative 2, and AC, which is negative 4, negative 3, and 2. Okay. Okay, tunggu masa lambat sikit dah padam. And now, find AB, AC. So the first question, find AB and find AC. Find AB, find AC is all here now. And then AB cross AC. So AB cross AC equal to I, J, and K. AB 2, negative 5, negative 2, and negative 4, negative 3, 2. So the first one, okay, find the determinant of I minus determinant of J plus determinant of K. Okay, determinant of K. So you want me to show the step one by one?
Yes, sir.
All right. So the first one, we hide the element in row I. So what you see here now, we got negative 5, negative 2, negative 3, and 2. Okay. Then for determinant of j, we hide the element of j. So what's left? We got 2, -2, 4, and 2. 2, -2, 4, and 2. And then hide the element of k. Okay, so then here now we got 2, 5, 4, -3. Okay, so now -5 times 2, -10, minus -2 times -3 equal to 6. I minus 2 times 2 equal to 4, minus 4 times -2, -8, plus with 2 times -3, -6, minus 5 times 4, 20k. So then I, j, and k. So -10 minus 6, -16i. And then 4 plus 8 equal to 12. 4 plus 8 equal to 12 minus, so -12 and -26. So AB cross AC, this give you the vector of normal to AB and AC, which is 90° to the vectors of AB and 90° to the vectors of AC. Hence, obtain the Cartesian equation of plane. So now, class, Cartesian equation of the plane where n AB cross AC, or the n equal to -16, -12, and -26. Class, the final answers for AB cross AC is -16, 4, -26. Do you find the mistake just now? The answers given there, sorry. The answers be given behind it, okay, -16, 4, -26. So class, make a correction, find where the mistake is, the calculation of positive plus minus just now. Please make a double check. So change this into 4. -16, 4, -26. Okay, nampak ke salah kat mana tadi?
Nampak je.
Okay, so make your correction sebab saya dah padam semula, sorry saya tak perasan. Okay, so now, thank you very much. Okay, so buat kebetulan. So now obtain the Cartesian equation of the plane pi. So the equation of plane pi, which is r dot n equal to a dot n. Okay, so r dot n, the normal here is -16, 4, -26 equal to a. Class, you may choose any point on the plane. You can either choose point of A, B, or C. You will find that the dot product, scalar product between point of A, B, or C with a normal, it will give you one answer. Okay, let's try. If I choose A, where A is 2, 3, 5, dot with -16, 4, -26. 2 times negative 6, negative 16, negative 32. 3 times 4 equal to 12. And 5 times negative 26 equal to? Habis awak apa?
130.
Sorry, terdengar suara ke? Okay.
130. Negative
130.
130.
130 equal to?
Sir, negative, sir.
Oh, negative. Sorry. Kenapa ada gema? Okay, dengar. Hello?
Dengar, sir.
Okay. So 5 times negative 26, negative 130 equal to?
Negatif 150.
Negative 150. Okay, negative 150. Okay, let's try with point of B. 4, negative 2, 3. Dot with the normal. Negative 16, 4, negative 26. 4 times negative 16, negative 64, right? Negative 2 times 4 equal to negative 8. 3 times negative 26 minus 18, 78 equal to?
Negative 105.
Negative 105 ke 150?
105.
105. Yang ini?
150, sir.
Negative 150. Okay. So then, okay. Negative 32. Okay. 12 minus 32 minus 130, negative 150. Okay. Minus 8 minus 78, negative 150. Okay, let's try with another one. Point of C, where C is negative 207. Dot with negative 16, 4, negative 26. Okay, negative 2 times negative 16, 32. 0 times 4, 0. And 7 times negative 26. 7 times 26, negative 182. So, negative 182 plus 32.
Negative 150.
150. See, all gave you one simple answer, one correct answer, which means that in this case, AB cross AC, it will give you a normal of n, and to find, we call equation of normal, for this point of A, you can choose either coordinate of A or B or C, either one, and you will find that they will give you one correct answer. So this is just to prove to you that you can choose any point of A, B, and C. In examination, you just choose one value is enough, right? Yang tunjuk ketiga pula. Okay, now this is the, which means that Cartesian equation of plane phi, which is r dot negative 16 or negative 26 equal to negative 150. Okay, now okay, find the vector equation of straight line L. So a straight line L pass through the points of P and Q. So which means that P and Q, this straight line passing through these 2 points of P and Q. So from R equal to A plus T with a V, and since that, let's say this is origin point of 0, 0, 0. So from O to P, P to Q. So now just take the value of coordinate of P as a here. And what about V? What about V? So V in this case is a direction vector of P to Q. V in this case is a direction vector of a V from P to Q, which means that OQ minus OP. Okay, OQ minus OP, PQ equal to OQ minus OP, which is 5, 6, negative 4 minus P, 2, 8, 9. So 5 minus 2 equal to 3. 6 minus 8 equal to negative 2. Negative 4 minus 9, negative 13. So R equal to A, where A is P, P is 2, 8, 9, plus with T and V here, 3, negative 2, negative 13. Okay, question number 10. R equal to 289 plus 3T, 3, negative 2, and negative 13. So find acute angle between the straight line L and the plane pi. So in this case, again, we are going to highlight the V of the straight line and also N of the normal plane here. So class, to find an angle, intersection, and all that, we refer to the N, the normal of the plane, and V of the straight line. Okay. Sekejap Sekejap, anak saya call je. Hello. Sana ya? Ya. Dia saya. Okay. Okay, 5123. Nampak tadi? I see. Okay. Tuan. Saya ada kelas tak? Boleh tak? Saya ada kelas. Tak apalah, dah pukul 12.30. Okay. Okay. Sorry, ada iklan gangguan sikit. Dekat sekolah saya tadi. Okay, acute angle between the straight line L and the plane pi. So we refer to the normal and we refer to the V. Let's say just imagine that the line is passing through the plane here. Okay, so now cos theta equal to V dot N, V3, negative 2, negative 13 dot N, where N is negative 16, 4, negative 26, divide by square root of 3 square plus negative 2 square plus negative 13 square. And then square root of negative 16 square plus 4 square plus negative 26 square. Okay, so 3 times negative 16, negative 48. Negative 2 times 4, negative 8. Negative 13 times negative 26, a big number. Can you please find it for me? 13 times 26. Positive 338. Okay, and then square root of 3 square equal to 9 plus 2 square equal to 4 and 13 square. 13 times 13, 169. And then square root of 16 square, 256. Plus 16 plus 26. 6, 7, 6. Equal to, so class 338 minus 8 minus 48. It is 282 divided by 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 plus 169. Square root of 182 and square root of 256 plus 16 plus 676 948. 948. So class, and again, theta equal to cos of 282 divided by square root of 182 and square root of 948. Okay, and this angle represent the angle between the normal and the V of the plane. So we need come up with 90 degree minus theta. Then it gives you an angle between the straight line and the surface of the plane. Okay, class, are you all still with me?
Yes.
Okay, so can you please find out what is the value of this? Cos of 282 divided by square root of 182 and square root of 948.
47.24.
47.24. Okay, 90 minus theta. 90 minus 47.24.
42.76.
Okay, 42.76. There you go. Okay, so we still have a time for the rest of the question. Okay, question B, acute angle between the plane and the plane. Plane and the plane, so again, plane 1 and plane 2. So every plane has its own normal and 1 and 2. Okay, 90 degree and 90 degrees. So find out the angle theta of this using the n1 dot n2 divided by modulus of n1 modulus of n2, and this is cos theta. So then theta equal to cos of n1 dot n2 divided by modulus of n1 modulus of n2. Okay. And given that A vector of the question of 13A, vector A and vector B, find A dot B. A dot B equal to 3, 2, 1 dot negative 1, negative 1, and 1. Okay, this is 13A. Easy. 3 times negative 1, negative 3, minus 2, plus 1, -3, -2, -5, +1, -4. Unit vector modulus of A dot B, which is square root of -3 square plus -2 square plus 1 square, then square root of 9 plus 4 plus 1 square root of 14. So unit vector, which is -3 divided by square root of 14i minus 2 divided by square root of 14j plus 1 divided by square root of 14k. That's it. Okay, so question C, I leave it to all of you to try. So class for this afternoon, that's all. We call the question that we discuss for this session. So as usual, this discussion I'm going to share with all of you uh, through a link of YouTube, so you can make your own revision. And please try the rest of the questions and don't come to my class by next week with empty hands. Meaning that we discussed at least 4 questions from the set of the SPM. Please do continue with the rest of the question. Jangan tinggalkan begitu sahaja. Alright? So that's all for today. Thank you very much. They will meet again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and have a nice day.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
bye. Welcome.